Hi friends, today you are going to learn SolidWorks slot sketching tool tutorial. This video contains the different types of slot sketch tools and how to draw it in SolidWorks. Also you will get to know about the slot property manager tool. Let's start with the first slot sketching tool, that is straight slot sketch tool. Let's begin. First we will start with the creating new part document from our already created the part template. Here click the new. This is our default part template we created in the early tutorial, so click on OK. This is the part template 1 document. Here you can see the slot sketch tool, means the 4 types of slot sketch tool in the sketch command manager, or you can access it from the tools, sketch entities, and this one, this slot, Centerpoint arc slot, 3-point arc slot, straight slot, etc. Before going to draw the slot, you must know about the what is a slot. A slot is a long narrow aperture or slit in a machine for something to be inserted. For example, you can see a slot in the base frame of a pumps motor. It helps to adjust the motor for the alignment. Like that you can find a lot of applications in the mechanical engineering section, in machines also. Let's see how to draw a slot, means straight slot in the SolidWorks user interface. Here I am selecting a top plane as default top plane. I am making it normal too. Then go to the straight slot. Here you can select the straight slot. Here 3 points we have to select. So first point, second point, and third. Okay, let's see. Here I am selecting the first point here, and the second point. Now we created the center line of the slot. Then drag outward the mouse pointer and click anywhere. Yeah, this is we make a straight slot. For that we have to also apply the smart dimension. Here I am giving it 115. Okay, and this length is half circle diameter. Here is 72 for just for an example. This way you can create a slot sketch. Here you can see it's completely in blue color. That means it is not completely fully defined. So to make it fully defined, you have to give a relation or a set dimension from the origin. So here we are using the smart dimension to do that. So this distance I am entering as 26, just for an example. Here see, it become black. That means it's defined. Also you have to set the distance from this and the origin as, sorry, the selection is got wrong, delete it, and once again we will select it from origin, and yeah, it's 52. Yeah, now it turns completely black. That means it's fully defined, and you can see the properties. Yeah, there's no existing relations, the best it's got. Okay, next we will see how to make the center point straight slot in the SolidWorks user interface. You can select the center point slot sketch tool from the feature command manager, or you can go to the tools menu and sketch entities and the center point straight slot sketch tool. Here you are also define 3 points. I'm selecting the first point as the origin, and dragging outwards to select the second point, and again dragging outward and click on next. Okay, so already you can see the points, 3 points. This is the center point or sketch tool because it starts from the center. That's why it's called center point slot sketch. And to make it fully defined, it's already defined because we start from the origin. The relations are already perfect. It's all about center points straight slot sketch tool. And next you are going to see the 3-point arc slot sketch tool. To access the 3-point arc slot sketch tool, you go to the sketch command manager and select the 3-point arc slot sketch tool, or you can access it from the tools menu also. Here I am selecting it from the sketch command manager. This is a 3-point arc sketch tool. Select the top plane. Here you have to define the 4 points like this. The first point, the second point of the arc, and the third point of the arc, creating it like this, and drag it outwards, and the fourth point on the slot surface. That means it's the first, second, third point, and the fourth on the circumference of the slot. This is how we creating a 3-point arc slot in the sketch interface. Okay, next you are going to see how to draw the center point arc slot in the SolidWorks. To create the center point arc slot sketch, go to the sketch command manager and select the center point arc slot. Here I am selecting the top plane. You have to select the first as the center point for the slot arc slot, first point, then draw the arc, second point, the third point, and drag outwards, and you can see the click on somewhere in the user interface to make the center point arc slot. Here it's, you can see the all dimensions automatically under. You can also edit by double clicking on it. 145, yeah, this one 70, yep. Like that you can edit the, you can also edit the angle to 100, 100 radius to 100. That's so all about how to edit the center point arc slot, and that's all about the center point arc slot. And in the upcoming tutorials you can see the various types of application of the slot sketch tools in the sketch of the SolidWorks, and to make a lot of machine tools in it. And I hope you could understand about the how to use the slot sketch tool in SolidWorks, and I love to hear from you. Feel free to comment and submit your thoughts, and also please like and subscribe our channel to get new tutorial videos about SolidWorks and other different CAD softwares. And also visit our SolidWorks tutorials for beginners.com for getting SolidWorks tutorials for free. And thank you friends, bye bye.